Welcome back, Mila. So now let us have this. Okay, so I get it now that your husband has the same characteristic or probably personality as a panda. Okay, now is your country famous for any animals?
Um,
What animal is Vietnam famous for?
Many.
What? Many?
Yeah.
Can you give me just one animal, Mila? One animal.
Oh, how about giraffe, elephant, dog, cat, many.
Okay. But most of my students would say that Vietnam is famous for water buffalo. Do you know water buffalo?
No.
Oh no. Wait, let me show it to you. This one, Mila. It's the animal that you can see um
Yes, yes.
in the field. Okay, especially in the
I
countryside,
know it.
right?
I know it.
Okay, so it's what we call water buffalo. When I ask my students, most of my students would say that Vietnam is famous for its water buffalo. Do you agree?
Um, yeah. I.
Oh, okay. Thank you so
Uh,
much. Yes, Mila, what do you want to say?
uh, this is often appear in rural areas.
Yes, that is correct, Mila, because they will this animal will help farmers in the field, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yes, exactly. Mila, can you tell me where do water buffaloes live? Where do they live?
Um,
They live where?
uh,
In the farm.
in the farm or countryside.
Okay, yes. Why are they famous in Vietnam, Mila? Can you tell me? Why are they famous in Vietnam? Why why do you think water buffaloes are famous in Vietnam? It's because what did they do?
Mm.
They help they help farmers, right? I believe that is the reason why they are popular or famous in Vietnam because they are a big help to the farmers, Mela, and
Yeah.
um in the fields. Okay, so now since we're done talking about your favorite animal, let us now proceed to lesson 4. Okay. Interesting. Who is your favorite celebrity? It's 3D.
Mhm.
Okay. Who is your favorite celebrity, Nela?
Oh, my husband,
What?
my husband,
Okay, yes, it's Wang Hong, Master D, right?
yeah,
Okay. So now, is he a singer, Mela? Is he a singer, a dancer, an actor? Is he an actor or just a singer and a dancer?
Actor and singer.
Okay, so he is an actor as well. I see. Very talented, Mela. How old is he?
Mm,
How old is he?
uh, 29.
Okay, he is 29 years old. Okay, he's still young, Mela. Now, talking about celebrities, we'll have exercise one first. We have here athlete. Now, this is a picture of an athlete, Mela. Can you tell me what does it mean when we say athlete? Athlete.
That athlete.
Yes. What what is an athlete? Athlete is.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Okay, so just like this person right here, Mila, an athlete, it is a person who is trained or highly skilled in um physical exercises or sports and games. Okay, wait, let me translate it. Athlete.
Uh, okay.
Okay, that is what an athlete is. Just like Messi, Ronaldo. Okay, just those two, Mela. That I know internationally. Kobe Bryant. They are athletes. Okay. Next one, talking about actor. Okay, what does it mean when we say actor? Look at this picture. Actor.
Actor. Actor.
Actor is
Mm, is we can say English.
but what is an actor's job, Mila? What is his job? He has to. Where can we see actors or actresses? Where can we see them? Yes, Mila. Where can we see actors or actresses? I can't
Uh,
hear you. Yeah, I can hear you now.
oh, it-
Yes, Mila. What is it, Mila?
mm,
Okay. So when we say actor, it is a professional who portrays a character in a performance, bringing stories to life, Mela. And of course, we can often see them in films or movies, right? Okay, so because that is their job, Mela, to act. Okay. Now, what about a musician? Musician. This will be the last word, Mela, and we will end. Okay, musician. Your husband is a musician. So, can you tell me what does it mean when we say musician? A musician
oh,
is a,
don't know.
you don't know. Wait, let me translate it in Vietnamese, and you have to explain
Okay.
in.
Is it same the singer?
Okay, yes. When we say a musician, okay, this is the Vietnamese term. So it means, Bella, that a person person composes or makes music, Mila, and as well as performs music. Okay, musician is a person who composes, conducts, or performs music. Yeah, just like your husband, he is a musician. Okay, musician. Now, I believe that's all it for our class today, Mila. So you will have time to relax because you have to go to school until 9. Oh my gosh. So I'll see you again on Friday. Mila, thank you so much. Goodbye. Be safe, Mila.
Teacher, teacher.